Okay, let's talk about a lawsuit that could literally change how the entire internet works.
And it all starts with this absolutely staggering number. We're talking over $322 million.
This judgment was handed down by a U.S. court in a case pitting the music industry against a mysterious shadow library.
So how on earth did this happen? Let's get into the case and why you should care.
On one side, you've got music industry giants plus Spotify, and on the other, a total digital ghost.
The whole case boils down to this. Anna's archive allegedly scraped almost all of Spotify's music.
And check out the breakdown of that judgment. Whoa, Spotify got the vast majority of it.
But here's where it gets kinda weird. The defendant, well, they just never showed up to court. Since the defendant never appeared, the plaintiff automatically wins. That's called a default judgment.
But to really get what's going on here, you gotta look at what those damages were actually for. See, the record label's copyright claims were just a tiny slice of that huge penalty.
And this is the key. They weren't sued for the same thing. The claims were totally different.
Right, Spotify couldn't sue for copyright because they don't own the music, so they got creative.
They used a specific part of the DMCA that says you can't bypass digital locks.
In plain English, illegally getting past a website's login or anti-scraping tech is a big no-no.
So this sets up a whole new playbook. You don't even need to own the content to sue scrapers.
And this new legal weapon? It could have huge implications for an industry built entirely on scraping AI.
And tech analysts immediately saw where this was going. This is a potential game changer for AI.
Think about it. AI companies scrape massive data sets, often from behind logins, to train their models. The court didn't just stop at the fine. It also ordered a whole bunch of their domains to be shut down. But Anna's archive is anonymous and decentralized. It's literally built to stay online using mirrors and torrents, which makes collecting that money, or even shutting the site down for good, pretty much impossible. So the law has spoken. But in a world of decentralized data, is anyone actually listening?